In today's video, I want to give you a quick tip to instantly sound more native when speaking Finnish. So you've probably heard that in Puhekieli or spoken Finnish, people often swap he into ne. So he means they in Finnish, and instead of using he in everyday spoken Finnish, Finns often will use the pronoun ne. Means the same thing, it's just somehow along the way, he has transformed into ne a lot of the times in spoken Finnish. So instead of he menevät, it would be ne menevät. However, it doesn't stop here. Another change that tends to happen is when Finns talk about he menevät, for example, instead of only switching he to ne, actually the verb itself changes as well. So Finns usually don't use the vat ending when speaking. So what do Finns use instead? We use the hän form. So we use ne pronoun and combine it with the hän form of the verb. And that is how we speak about they doing something in puhekieli. For example, in kirjakieli, we would say he sanovat. They say, he sanovat. But in puhekieli, Finns would usually say, ne sanoo. So he turns into ne, and sanovat turns into sanoo. So sanoo is the hän form of sanoa. Hän sanoo means he or she says. Ne sanoo means they say. Ne sanoo et huomen sataa vettä. They say that tomorrow it will rain. Ne sanoo. He menevät would turn into ne menee. Ne menee. So he turns into ne. Menevät turns into menee. Ne menee. Ne menee kohta kauppaan. They are going to the store soon. Ne menee kohta kauppaan. He nukkuvat turn into ne nukkuu. Ne nukkuu. Ne nukkuu. Ne nukkuu koko päivän. They sleep the whole day. Ne nukkuu koko päivän. Ne nukkuu. The same idea works also in the past tense. He söivät turns into ne söi. He turns into ne. Söivät turns into söi. So hän söi, he, she ate. Ne söi, they ate. Ne söi. Ne söi 2 omenaa eilen. They ate 2 apples yesterday. Ne söi 2 omenaa eilen. He ajoivat turns into ne ajoi. Ne ajoi. Ne ajoi. Ne ajoi kesän alussa Kuopioon. Ne ajoi kesän alussa Kuopioon. Ne ajoi. Last example. He kävelivät turns into... Oh no. Sorry, my sister just came home, so that's why there's a bit of a break in filming. But yeah, the viimeinen example, he kävelivät turns into ne käveli. Ne käveli. Ne käveli Nuuksion metsässä. Ne käveli. Ne käveli Nuuksion metsässä. Let's do a few recap exercises. So which one is in Finnish puhekieli? Ne miettii vielä mitä ne ostaa, or he miettivät vielä mitä he ostavat. The puhekieli one is ne miettii vielä mitä ne ostaa. So you're using ne pronoun and the hän form of the verb. Ne miettii and ne ostaa. Which one is the correct puhekieli ending? Ne lupaavat, ne lupaa, or ne lupaisivat soittaa huomenna. If you like these sorts of recap exercises, I do a whole lot more over on my Patreon and YouTube channel memberships. If you subscribe to Level 2, I make monthly homework exercise workbooks that cover my YouTube videos for that month, so you can really get even more practice with these topics. Also, I never delete these homework booklets, so once you become a member, you have instant access to an archive of 40 homework booklets that you can slowly make your way through. Plus, sometimes I upload extra note bundles, and I even have 20 extra videos uploaded there. Kiitos tosi paljon kun katsoitte ja nähdään seuraavassa videossa. Moikka!